Tips to make it look like autumn. What kind of image do you have of autumn light? In this video, I will show you how to create an autumn-like atmosphere. First, let's take a picture without using a stove, using only the steady light in the room. I'll be using a stove after this, so I'll take a dark image so that the light in the room won't affect it much. At this level of darkness, the brightness of the room will not be affected much by the stove. Next, use the softbox. The stove is a Comet B360 with a Speedbox 70 round softbox. Bounce the stove off the wall on the left side of the room to create a soft light that brightens the entire room. The image is as if the light from the sky is hitting from the left. I want to create a more autumnal image. In autumn, the sun sets earlier and the evening sunlight hits the subject from the side, so I want to shine the stove directly on the subject from the side. To create an autumn-like light, I will attach an orange filter to the Godox AD200. It is easy to attach with a magnet. The light from the autumn evening sun is weak, so I set the stove's intensity low enough to create shadows from the side of the subject. The image now looks as if the sun is shining on the autumn sunset. It's a very autumnal atmosphere, don't you think? If you increase the power of this stove or use only this stove, the contrast will be too strong and you won't get the autumnal atmosphere. The soft light bouncing off the wall in the same direction creates an image of the light in the sky, creating an autumn-like image. The key points are to create the light of the sky and to apply a weak light from the stove that shows the setting sun, and make it an orangish image. It looks good, doesn't it? Please give it a try.